There are energies all around us that we can't see. Some of them raise us up, while others try to pull us down. When you tread the path of the chosen one, darkness sometimes gathers with a lot of might to try to dull your inner light. That's why we're going to explore the mysteries of the ancients together today. We're going to reveal 7 powerful spells that sages and seekers have kept safe for thousands of years. These spells were created to guard the worthy from the shadows that threaten. These rituals don't simply keep bad things from happening, they also bring out your latent abilities, rouse up your ancestors' spirits, and convert your spirit into a shield. Pay attentive attention and allow each word sink into your spirit. These secrets are not often revealed, therefore you should appreciate them. The spell of the Silver Circle takes us back to ancient Sumer. Think about being alone at midnight, when the world is quiet but full of possibilities. You sprinkle silver dust about you in a precise circle, not just a line, but a barrier that glows with moon power. You stand inside with your arms up and say, "By Luna's grace and silver light, shield me now from darkest night." Every time you say it, you feel the air getting thicker with energy that you can't see. The circle pulses softly under your feet, making a shimmering barrier that keeps out any intruders for the remainder of the night. Many people have felt instant comfort as fear and worry fade away in this circle. It's not just a ritual, it's real energy. If you've ever utilized or felt the safety of a silver circle, or even tried to make your own barrier, remember that sensation now as we go deeper into the mysterious. Next, I want to show you the Phoenix Flame Sigil. This ceremony, which has been passed down via Egyptian families, uses art, fragrance, and fire to protect you. On a piece of paper that is exclusive for this moment, draw a rising phoenix with strong intent. Dab frankincense oil over the borders and breathe in its old woodsy perfume. Then let the flames slowly burn the picture in your cauldron or a safe bowl. As it burns, say, "Rise, O phoenix, burn away the dark. Give me strength and light my spark." You keep the ashes and spread them over your room or house. From then on, the energy in your environment changes in a little way. Negativity just can't seem to get a grip. If you've ever liked the phoenix emblem, know that your spirit knows this immortal protector. Let the phoenix motivate you to keep going by imagining the warmth and confidence growing inside you. The next spell, the Incantation of the 5 Winds, comes straight from Celtic knowledge. This simple ritual simply needs your breath and your will, yet it works wonders. Go outside at dawn when the sky is just starting to brighten and look east. Breathe deeply each time you say, "East wind cleanse." As you turn south, west, and north, say to each one, "South wind warm, west wind heal, north wind guard." Finally, look at your center and say, "Center wind unite all." You might not notice it, but the air will seem lighter and a cleansing will waft softly about you. This spell is like a spiritual shower. It washes away all of your bad thoughts and feelings with unseen currents. People who practice wind magic frequently say that their vitality comes back swiftly, as if they are always under a protecting breeze. Think about doing this every morning, especially when you're feeling stressed. We continue on to the 4th spell, the chant of the Starry Guardians under the stars. The Druids thought that the heavens could protect people with clean hearts. Find a night when the sky is clear and go outside to soak in the light from the stars. Pay attention to the constellation Cassiopeia. It is powerful, gorgeous, and generally ignored. As you keep your eyes on the 5 bright points, say 3 times, Guardians of the stars up high, guide my soul, protect my life. As you say each syllable, picture soft beams of light from the heavens cascading down and surrounding you in a cosmic web. As you breathe in, remember that you are never alone. Old eyes are constantly watching over you. Some people say they sleep well. Some say they get amazing insights in their dreams, and many others feel entirely protected when they call on the stars. Which constellation do you think of as your guardian? Always remember that the universe is on your side. The sixth spell, the seal of the sacred oak, is found next in the primeval woodlands of Britain. Make a little oak leaf form in beeswax by carving or pressing it in. These symbols should be personal and crafted with intention and belief. When you're about to go to sleep, carefully put the wax seal on your forehead and say softly, "By the strength of the oak and the ancient root, no harm shall find my sacred fruit." As you shut your eyes, see roots extending out under you, linking you to the oldest and strongest trees, which are unmovable and unbreakable. Psychic disturbances and nightmares can't get past your natural barriers. Many people feel strong and tranquil emotionally when they get up, and that feeling lasts all day. The sacred oak is a safe place for people who have trouble sleeping or are always anxious. Keep your wax seal close by for when the world seems darkest. The blessing of the moonlit waters is the sixth protective rite. On a full moon, collect clean spring water and put it in front of moon. Say softly, "Waters clear reflect my soul and wash away what wants to control." Look at the moon's soft reflection rippling across the lake. It cleanses not just the water, but also your intents and soul. Drink a drink at daybreak and feel its coolness and purity feed you from the inside out. It's not just a drink, it's a way to clear up your mind and get rid of negative thoughts that have been hanging around. This strengthens your soul's natural defense. Some people have discovered health advantages, while others have found deep peace. But everyone agrees that moonlit waters cleanse the mind and spirit in ways that words can't fully describe. This ritual will soon become a holy favorite if you like water magic or feel a connection to the moon cycles. The seventh and final protection, the final invocation of the eternal light. Find a peaceful area, light a white candle, which stands for purity and all that is good, and put your hands over the flame so you can feel its warmth but not touch it. Start the prayer with the words, "Eternal light, undying flame, guard my path and heal my name. Through endless night and endless time, stand by me now with holy power." Say these words with more and more confidence until you see a change, first small and then big. You will feel at ease and completely protected. You should say this prayer once a week to keep your aura strong against even the most concealed and persistent evil. Many people who do this say that it is the most important part of their spiritual defense. The light inside them gets brighter with each repeat. As you finish these 7 old spells, think of your own strength and the help that has always been there for you. Keep in mind that these ceremonies are gifts and should be done with respect, purpose, and thanks, not fear. Add your favorite spells to your daily or weekly practice. You can use them for yourself and for anyone you want to protect. If you find this advice helpful or sense the power growing inside you, please like, subscribe, and share your experience in comments below. Whether you provide a simple like or make a gift through the link in the description, your support helps our community expand and helps us keep finding, preserving, and sharing the wisdom that the world so badly needs. Stay blessed, walk in light, and remember that you are always safe as long as you respect the ancient power inside you.